Hello guys, this is Maracas. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to straighten your hair using a new technique that I discovered. I hope you guys enjoy. One day I tried this technique and it worked. I was so happy to be able to do this process in only 30 minutes. First, you're going to need a blow dryer, some bobby pins, and a hairnet. And voila, let's go. Dry your hair a little bit with a towel. We all know heat protector is necessary, and that's why we use them. Make sure when you're doing this Tubi, it's very tight to the hair. After adding the hairnet, take the bobby pins out, circulating the direction you did your hair. It's your choice to let it dry as much as possible. You are going to be able to enjoy a nice 20 minutes of your favorite activities. You are going to keep checking to make sure the hair is really dry. You can always finish the look by straightening your roots with the hair dryer. Really hope you guys like this tutorial. You can leave some comments on what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. With love, Maracas.